I'm Jos, and today I'm here with Patrick from CloudRail. Patrick, what are we going to show today?
Hi Jos. So today we're going to connect an OPC UA server that is running on that laptop here to the EG500 and to the CloudRail.Box Max, and connect the data coming out of that to AWS, just to illustrate how you could do that with a PLC or any other shop floor device that's running an OPC UA server.
For example, with a Siemens S7 or something like this.
Exactly.
Okay, amazing. Let's start.
Perfect. So let's get right into it. This is the device management platform that we offer to manage these devices in the field, and we can see also basic information here about the edge devices that we have, if they're online and if they're offline, what firmware version they're on, and so forth. But in this video, we're just going to configure it. So we take the Welotec webinar box here, go to new connection, select OPC UA servers. And now what I can do here is basically say, okay, connect a new OPC UA server. I can decide which port the OPC UA server is connected. So it's either connected on the cloud port, so the one that's connected to the internet, or the shop floor, the factory port, which we have the iLink master connected to. So right now this is the cloud port. We also have the options of adding authentication information. So it could be no authentication, basic or certificate based. In this case, we do not have any authentication. So we just go ahead and add the IP address here. That is 130.166, and the port is 4334. So that's it. What we do now is we hit connect. And in the background, we're just sending that information to the gateway. The gateway is now trying to connect to the OPC UA server. It's trying to read the whole device tree. So it will first discover all the objects. So if you think about OPC UA servers, they basically look like your standard file system on your computer, right? It has different folders or objects, and they have different files, or in that case, data points that you can read from. And what we do is we extract all the top-level objects that have any sort of data connected to it. So in this case, I also get the feedback, okay, we have the session created, we're connected. If I close this pop-up, I can basically see two objects here, which are just simulating a machine. So one is a conveyor belt, and one is just a standard machine vibration monitoring. So I can select how many objects I want. In this case, we'll just select both of the objects available here.
Okay, great.
We go to the next step. And we just say, okay, we want to read from it, and say, yes, let's read every second, right? We go next again. So this looks pretty similar to if you've seen the iLink video. It's the same process after, we've connected the OPC UA server, basically. We select our credentials. We enter a very descriptive name as always. We hit create. And the background process is the same, right? So we create and register this device on the AWS platform. We download the credentials, send them to the device, and the device then starts reading from the OPC UA server. So what we get is, again, an MQTT topic under which the data is coming in. We also get the full schema. In this case, we have the full path. So again, thinking about the file structure, you will see the full path of, different objects and data points in the list here, see the types associated with it, and again get some sample that you can look at. So what we'll do is again copy the topic here, go into AWS IoT Core, into the test client, paste the topic here, and subscribe to it. Now, as you can see, we're again directly getting data. This case, the machine is where the conveyor belt is basically counting the input and the output. We get a speed information for the conveyor belt. Again, that's all simulated, but it showcases data that you could be retrieving from PLCs or other devices in the field.
So we just got from a local PLC or OPC UA server data and brought it to the cloud with just a few clicks?
Yes. Exactly. All we need is the IP address and potentially authentication information, but that's it. And then we get it into the cloud as easily as we get iLink sensors or other things.
Amazing. And that would also work with Azure or only with AWS?
Yes, that works for Azure, that works for other cloud platforms. So yeah, no matter where you want to send the data to, you can.
Okay, amazing. Cool. Thank you very much.
Perfect. Thank you as well.